Hello, good morning. Let's wait for some 5 minutes and we'll start with our session. So this link got changed. That's why people are joining. We'll wait for a few more minutes. We'll start with our yes. Are you guys able to hear me? Can someone confirm? Okay, fine. Okay, so from the beginning, I will start now. So hi, myself Vishwa. So I'm going to teach MVC for you guys here. So like this is existing C# branch. Recently we completed C# on Monday, and now the next session will be on our ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, Web API, .NET Core. All the things will come here. Entity framework, everything will come here. Okay. So I know most of you people from my C# batch, and I think some few more people added here from other batches also. I can see the names, new names here. So for them, I will introduce myself first. After that, we'll start with the session. Okay. So I have 8+ years of real-time experience. So currently, I am working in one of the biggest MNC in India. I don't want to mention the name, but still, so I can tell it's India's most loved company. Indian's most loved company. So, like I have 8+ years of experience. Currently, I'm working as a technical lead. So, I will teach in Narashati for 2 batches. This 6 to 7, and one more is 7:30 to 9. So both will be different. So if we are dealing with MVC there, that will be C#, vice versa. Okay. So and my technical skills, I have currently I'm working on ASP.NET MVC, Web API, AngularJS, Microsoft Azure DevOps, all these things currently I'm working, and I'm working as a technical lead in that company. Okay, so yes, it's about myself, and coming to my teaching experience. I'm a Microsoft certified .NET developer, and also I have written some books on .NET. So I will share those books after complete. I mean, in this session itself, maybe after 1 week, I will share the book with you guys, everyone, and I will just so we'll just go with the course content and all. So before that, so it's difficult to introduce from your end also. I know that because so many people are there. Okay. Before that, so I have few things. So can you guys please respond? Like, so how many people completed their C#? Please raise your hands in the Zoom call so that I will know how many people. Even my C# students also, please raise your hands. I will do one thing. Okay, stop it now. It's going more. So please raise and down the hands. Okay. So before I start with the session, and also I need to get complete idea on you guys, so that so that we will have in sync, and you people will know. So one thing I can say, here, whoever joined here, so if you like C# related and all, if you have minimum knowledge also or something. So for first 1 week, we'll cover few C# topics like revision and all. And after that, we will start with our MVC. So I'll just make it easy for you guys. So like, I will teach each and everything in real time only. I don't teach theoretical knowledge or something. I will teach everything. For example, if I'm teaching one line of code, sorry, Nagras. I'm new for .NET. Is it correct course to start my .NET journey? Yes, you can. Okay, so people see. So whenever, so see, any more questions? So we'll teach each and everything in real time. Whenever we are teaching some concept, I will explain what are the interview questions on that particular concept. So how many ways we can answer to the interviewer, how to clear the interviewer. So like once you complete this course, So you will hold minimum 2 to 8. So I will make you guys like, so you people will almost equals to 2-3 years real-time experienced people. Okay. So like, I will show something in Azure related things, Azure concepts and all. So outside people don't give you Azure and all, but still fine. I will try to give that and we'll see one real-time project, and I will make you people to prepare or you design a real-time project by after completion of the session. After completion of the session, so you can write one own program, and you will design one new website on your own, and you can deploy anywhere, and you can show that in any interviews and all. So that's what my action plan for you guys. Okay. So we'll just see what is the course content we are going to discuss for this session. That's what we'll see now. Okay. So after that, we'll see some question and answer. So I know some people have some doubts and all. We'll see that. Okay, and now I was asking something, right? So now people tell me who did not completed their C sharp. One, two, only who did not completed their C sharp. Okay. So I can see 9 people. So Nagaraj, you did not completed your C sharp. Anil, Prasad, Chandrasekhar, Devender. You guys did not completed your C sharp. No. Okay. So maybe if we have any C sharp batch starting, so try to join there for them. Like, C sharp, we definitely need C sharp, and also all these things. I mean, MVC related things. Okay, Saujanya, no problem. Okay, so so can someone can you people raise your hands who is not from my C sharp batch 6 to 7? Okay, I can see 7 hands, 8 hands, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So other people, Raju Reddy and all, Ramya M. So you people are not my C sharp, right? But you people are not rising. So everyone. Manoj. Okay, some people raise their hand, but still, I know, like, for that batch, I know up to 55, 60 people only. So remaining, some people opted for video. Okay, so okay, fine. So fine. So I will just make you people, both you people into equal zone. So like, so how they are in C sharp, I will try to make you guys also in that manner for the C sharp. And after that, we'll start with our MVC also. Okay, fine. So fine. So this is what our course content. Okay. First, we'll see what is the full stack .NET of course content. Later, we'll see what is our MVC or ASP.NET course content. Okay. So people see here. So here in this session, particular session, so you people opted for .NET Core full stack. Okay. So here we'll teach one programming language, C#. Okay. So first 1 or 2 classes, you need to know what we are learning here, why we are learning here. So once you people got the clarity on that, then we can start learning ASP.NET MVC. If you people don't have any idea on what you are learning and all, then it will be difficult for understanding and all. So we definitely needs to have some roadmap, like for anything. See, for example, if you're buying some car or something, new car or something, then definitely you need to plan for something like, so this day I will buy the car, I will book the car, this day I will get that car, and once I got that car, I need to make some puja ceremony or something. After that, based upon one good day, one fine day or something, we need to open the car. So, see, this is what proper planning. Similarly, for .NET, so how we need to learn the .NET? What is the main purpose of .NET? How we can handle the .NET? So, some people are from mechanical, some free people from civil, some people from MBA, some people from other backgrounds, also degree background or something. Sir, can we able to learn .NET? So all these questions are are in your mind. So I will just clear all your doubts now, and I will make you confident in .NET. So in terms of learning and subject wise and everything, just trust me for this 2 months or 3 months. Definitely, I will make you perfect in terms of subject and all. So you people, so I know, so my C# people know. So when they join new, that time they have no idea on what is .NET, C# and all. But now they are able to, they are able to write their own code, and they are able to understand every concept in C# now, and they are clearing their interviews on based upon C# also. So ultimately, what is our main goal? Two things. What are those two things? Some people wants to switch their technology. The first thing I will tell, like, job. The second thing is what? Switching of technology. The third category, they want to keep some 3-4 years of experience. They want to keep 3 to 4 years of experience. Right? So how many are looking for job now? So those whoever raise your hand, you will get a good package like 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs. Those who are not rising, they will get with 3 lakhs. Only 9 people want a job with 10 lakhs package. 12 people. See, who are not raising their hands, they will get only 3 lakhs package job. So then, you people are so good, man. So only 30 people raised hand, and other people are not interested in money. So 30 people want with 10 lakhs package, and 30 people want with 3 lakhs package. Okay. Good. Now can you please down your hands? Now can you people and tell me how many want to switch their technology? Like, for example, if someone is working on manual testing, or if someone is working on XYZ thing, and they want to convert that into what is that? Switch the technology. They want to switch into .NET. So 8 people, right? That's what. 13 people. Oh, 13 people. So you people already have some jobs, and 14. So you people have jobs, and you are looking for what? 17 people. Oh, nice. Okay, so Dibyaranjan, you also? I'm not aware. Manikanta? Manikanta, you also have job and you want to change. Okay, nice, 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 guys. So Then this is the right class for you guys. Why? Because so we'll teach each and everything in real time only. And so then what will happen? So I see theoretically, I don't know what is all these things and all. I will teach each and everything in real time only. Okay. So we'll see everything in real time with real time examples. Okay. And now the third category, 3 to 4 years of experience. They want to keep 3 to 4 experience and how many? So first, can you people down the hands now? Everyone? I want to see 0 there. Please down the hands. Okay, done. Now, the third category. So how many wants to keep some 3 to 4 years experience now? So, sir, we have some gaps, sir. We completed our BTech in 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15 and something. So now we want to keep some gaps, sir. So what is your suggestion? Something for them? Only 2 people. So no problem. So you guys can tell me. Naresh, you joined here. Say my C# student or MVC student only. That Naresh and this Naresh same. Okay, anyway, only 3 people. Okay, so I hope this will be the right place for you guys also. So why? Because so once we complete our session, definitely you will reach almost you are almost equals to some 3 to 4 years of experience. You will become you will gain that much knowledge here for sure. Okay, so why? Because so I will we'll teach each and everything in real time, the first point, and also after completion of our MVC, so you people can design and develop on your own some web pages and websites and all. Okay, so when you are doing that, then what will happen? You people will gain your real time experience, and you will become almost 2 to 3 years of experience. You will almost equals to that. Okay, you will become perfect also in .NET. Okay, so now I will just go with the course content. This is what my introduction, my understanding. So yeah, Naresh, you have some question? So anyone have any questions? So just raise your hand. We'll speak. Or you can ask me in comments. Yes, Naresh, tell me. Yeah, that Naresh and this Naresh same, right? Okay, so the first thing we here the course content is .NET Core full stack. Ravi, yeah, Ravi, I'm just unmuting you. Please tell me.
Yeah, yeah, Vishwa, good morning.
Yeah, Ravi.
Yeah, I have a 5 years of experience in .NET. So
Mhm.
.NET technology in the sense ASP.NET and WPF. So I want to switch to ASP.NET Core. So will it be possible with this experience, like with this knowledge and all?
Yeah, you can. So you are working in support project, what? You are working in support project?
Yeah, support as well development both they have given to me. Like 5 application I'm handling. Among them, 3 are support or development.
So L3.
Yes.
Okay, so fine, no problem. So then definitely this session will be helpful for you. Like here we'll deal with MVC. So nowadays MVC is trending in the world in .NET world. So say if you go for if you move to any project, so maybe support project they will use ASP.NET only. Why? Because they are old project. So that's the reason they are in support, right? So for new developed projects, or see most of the 90% of projects they are migrating now. Okay, so they are migrating towards what? MVC or Web API or .NET Core. Okay, so yes, of course, this session will definitely helpful for you. So you can learn everything here, and I will teach each and everything in real time. So that will definitely add advantage to your skills and profile. Yeah. Any more questions? Yeah. If anyone have questions, please raise your hand. Otherwise, I'm just start. Someone raised? No. Okay. So okay, we have half an hour time. So meanwhile, people can ask me the questions. So, sir, I have one doubt in Windows Forms. So Divyaranjan, now you are asking me. So just share that error if you have something. Okay. So okay, so this course content is .NET Core full stack. So I don't want to explain what is this .NET Core and all. Why? Because you already have some knowledge on .NET. That's the reason people came here. So .NET 4 core in the sense full stack means simple. Here the developer needs to implement C# related code, Web API related code, MVC related code, HTML related code, CSS related code. And also if you have any AngularJS or React.js, Node.js, we need to implement everything. Like, and also SQL Server. So we need to implement full stack means what? So both front end and what back end. So that's what full stack. So we'll explain this core full stack in some other sessions. Okay. So here in our current course, so most of you people learned already C#, right? Yes or no? So you people done with your C#, right? So if not, I recommend you guys to join if we have any C# batches or something. So please join there. Okay. And now our champion for this session 6 to 7 is web technologies. Okay. Okay. So see web technologies. Here, so I am explaining Anil for your question in this. So here we are going to learn ASP.NET. Sir, ASP.NET means, sir, that outdated one, that one only. No. So ASP.NET here means we'll discuss about ASP.NET, all the features of ASP.NET. Sir, why, sir, you are only saying outdated one, and why we need to learn ASP.NET? So ASP.NET is the basic for all the technologies here. Okay. So, and one more thing, I know outside, no one is teaching ASP.NET nowadays. See, without learning ASP.NET, if we move to this MVC or Web API or ASP.NET core, then what will happen? Like, see, without reading third class and fourth class, you are jumping into sixth class. Now, people tell me, so the person who did not study third and fourth, and if the person jumped to this fifth and sixth, will he be like perfect in maths and all? See, so see, when you are studying this nursery, there what they will what you will learn there? Alphabets A, B, C, D, like that. So once you complete your alphabets learning, then in our first standard or LKG or something, what they will teach you guys there? Like they will teach like A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Okay. Now, once you complete your A for apple, then you will start reading the sentences. Like, this is apple, that is something, I have done my breakfast. So, and rhymes and everything. So this is like a pattern, right? We definitely see without learning this A, B, C, D and all, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, what you will learn? How this guy will gain the knowledge on this alphabets? Yes or no? That's the reason we need some ASP.NET basics. So I will cover for 20 days. I will take some 20 days and I will cover all the ASP.NET basics. Okay. This is what ASP.NET. Okay. So here I will give you some real-time examples. We'll see some real-time stuff here, and we will use them in our MVC also. So now wherever I left in ASP.NET, from that point, our MVC will begin. Okay. That is like the new beginning, I can say, or that is what our part 2 of our MVC. Okay. So got it, guys? Any questions here? Okay. So the next one, MVC. So yes, sir, what is this MVC? So we joined here for ASP.NET. So we got a message or we got some notification or something like, so new batch on MVC, ASP.NET MVC or ASP.NET MVC core, some real-time expert, something, you got it. But what is this MVC? Wherever you are going, this MVC is following you like anything. What is this MVC? MVC. So this so Saibalaji, you are my 6 to 7 C# student only, right? Is that correct? Okay, so fine. So yes, sir. Okay. Okay, so wait for 1 week. Once we start with MVC, ASP.NET things and all, just you can join there. After completion of so few things, then you can join there. Okay, you definitely need some time. Okay, so MVC. So this is one of the new framework introduced by Microsoft, like model view controller. So nowadays, this is simply leading the .NET world. Okay. Once we are done with MVC, we'll move into web API. Okay. And once we are done with that, we'll see ASP.NET core. So people see here all these things, whatever I'm showing here, we'll discuss all these things in real time only. So whenever I'm explaining some concept, I will explain how that can be used in real time. Okay. And what are the advantages of that concept? And we'll see the real-time examples for them. Okay. And in this .NET Core full stack, if you're done with your core Java, see, core Java and C# concepts are same, but only the difference is syntax. In your core Java, what you will write like system.out.println for printing some statement. Okay. But here what will happen, we have like console.writeLine, console.readLine. All these things will use here. But yes, so you can update your skills in C# also. Just if you know the differences and all, then you can happily continue here. Okay. Yeah. So now SQL Server. So for every application, we'll have two things. One is front end and one is back end. Okay. Front end is here ASP.NET. We'll implement by using ASP.NET, all these things. And back end is SQL Server. Okay. UI technologies like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, Angular with TypeScript. So all these things we will get from this course, particular course content from Naresh IT Technologies. And finally, this is not kept in our voucher or something in our course content and all, but I will give you people separately. I will give you means you people will do that on your own for sure. Trust me. You can trust me on this line. Okay. So fine. This is the last one, real-time project. Okay. So now I will teach ADV.NET. So we teach ADV.NET in C#. We teach ADV.NET in Windows Forms. We'll teach ADV.NET in ASP.NET. We'll teach ADV.NET in MVC also. Okay. So ADV.NET. So nowadays, most of your systems are for they are giving from ADBA.NET only. I will definitely make it easy for you guys. Trust me in that line. Okay, so got it right. So this is what the course content. Okay, so session 1. So if someone has completed their C sharp, or if someone did not complete it, please immediately try to join if we have any new C sharp batches in RHIT. If you people want my C sharp batch, so we'll mostly focus on ADBA.NET and we will focus on entity framework also. But our main majority concentration on ADBA.NET. So I will teach few examples on entity framework also. I hope you got the answer. Okay, for C sharp. So you can join the session, or if you want my batch only, then mostly that will start from this month end. Okay, some 7:30 to 9 batch. Not sure, but definitely will get the update for that. Okay, that is what. Okay, and session 2. So you once you joined C sharp or ASP.NET, if you did not completed your UI technologies, please go and join there. Okay, please go and join there. Okay, session 3, SQL Server. So this one also equally important to our ASP.NET full stack course. Okay, and finally, in our MVC, after 20-25 sessions, I will tell you guys for attending interviews and all, I will tell you interview tips and all. I will share that interview tips and all. Okay, then you can go for interviews. You can go for interviews there. You can go for interviews there, and parallelly you can go for this session. So this will add some more advantage to your resume. Okay, you can go for interviews and you can learn this session also parallelly. Okay, so this is what my action plan for you guys. Now, anyone have any questions on this course content or something? So can I teach? So we have teached so many things. Yes, Arun, tell me.
Yes, sir. In Web API, microservices also cover
In Web API, sorry.
microservices. We also cover like
Azure microservices you are asking?
for microservices related code, and in SP.NET for using latest version like .NET 7 or
So
6.
some of the basics will be covered for them, for sure.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so you can. So now what we will do, I will just give some demo kind of thing on C sharp. Why? Because if people are too early for teaching the .NET MVC, so for 10 minutes I will just teach the C sharp and whoops concepts or something. Some concepts I will teach now. See how I am teaching now. Okay, so if you already know all those things, you don't need to join there. I mean, so if you people have idea on HTML, CSS, JavaScript or something, then you don't need to join. You can continue with MVC. Okay, so I will just teach something here. Okay, so people see here. So how I teach now until that last session of MVC, our teaching way of teaching will be like this only. Okay, so now I'm just going with one of the whoops demo. See, whoops is one of the toughest part to understand in our .NET. So I will ask the questions, people needs to answer here in the chat. Okay, so first, so oops, basically what is the full form of oops? Can someone tell me? So no one knows. or you people forgot? C-sharp students, what happened? No one is answering. Okay. Any more answers? Okay. So OOPS means object-oriented programming system. Okay. So see what I will tell you guys here is, so this object is leading complete OOPS. Okay. So this object is leading a complete OOPS. So without object, we cannot even maintain a single program in our C#. Okay. So I will tell like object is king of OOPS. Sir, what is this king, queen, and all? So we are not we won't accept it, sir, or something. Someone is saying like that. No. So I will prove that how it is. Okay, before that, here we'll discuss few important concepts like class, object. Okay, class, object, and what else? Tell me. Variables and methods also. Okay, so these are the concepts we are going to discuss now. The first thing, the syntax of declaring a class is class name, open brace and closed brace. Now people tell me, can you people tell me what is the syntax for declaring a class? So please ask me the questions in the last 5 minutes or something. I will give some time. So if I'm in middle of something, then definitely will miss that. So now people tell me, what is the syntax for declaring a class? Class name, open brace and closed brace. What is that? Class name, open brace, closed brace. Now, so who will be there in class means we'll have two things. In our class, we'll have variables and methods. Okay. So these two things will be there in our class. Sir, we have properties and all. Yeah, fine. But for a very initial OOPS program, these two things only. Okay. So now people tell me, what is the syntax for declaring a class? Class name, open brace and closed brace. Now people tell me, online people, like, can you people comment? Who will be there in our class? Variables and methods. What are that? Variables and methods. Okay. So now the definition of class I will give here. So I will make it so complex, but we'll prove that class is a closed container where we can bind variables and what? Methods. This is what the definition of class. See, class is a CLOSED. Class is a closed container where we can bind variables and methods. Sir, what is this closed container? What is this bind variables and methods? We'll see that. People don't need to worry. Okay. Now people tell me, what is the syntax for declaring a class? Yes. Now tell me. Class. I'll just unmuting someone. Ajay. Now tell me, what is the syntax for declaring a class? Ajay. Ajay, you can unmute yourself. Dibir Ranjan, tell me what is the syntax for declaring a class? See, people are not interested in speaking. What? No one is speaking. So Bajil Khan then. Yeah, tell me.
So syntax for declaring a class syntax is that we have to use name or class keyword and the class name,
Yes,
whatever
correct.
we want to use.
Open brace and close
And
brace.
then, yeah, inside the braces, we use variables and
Perfect.
methods.
So we will be there in class now. Variables and
Methods.
very good. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Basilka. So now people will ask me question. Sir, you told object is king of hoops, object is leading hoops, object is that one, this one, but you did not told anything about object. So just wait for some more time. Hold your nose for 5 minutes. We'll prove that. We'll prove that. Okay, sir, you told some definition for class, but what we are unable to understand this one, sir. So yeah, we'll see. And after if you people listen this demo properly, if you don't know any coding, if you have zero knowledge in coding also, you can write a program on your own for sure. Trust me. So now I will just give one example for that. Okay, so I will just class. Sir, class name. What is the class name? Sir, because we are learning C sharp, we'll keep C sharp only. Sir, we are learning MVC, we'll keep MVC only. What we need to keep, sir. So that's what your doubt. So you can keep any name for the class based upon your requirement. You can keep your name, you can keep my name, or you can keep Naresh IT name, or you can keep employee name, you can keep XYZ name, you can keep ABC name. Okay, so you can keep anything there. Okay, I'm just giving class name as some TEST. Now, what is the syntax? Class name, open brace, and what? Closed brace. So now people tell me who will be there in our class means two things. One is variables. What is variable? Like int a equals to 20, comma, b equals to what? 30, comma, c. That's it. This kind of variables. Okay. So now, sir, you were saying like class is, this one, that one, and king of hoops and all, but sorry, object, but you did not prove anything here. But how, sir? Now we'll see. Now, now see, the first thing, if I want to work with variables, I need something. If I want to work with variables, I need something. Can someone tell me what is that something? Any answers here? Methods? No. Memories? What is that sweet memories? Sagar? Yeah, that is memory only. Correct. So memory. Okay. Yeah, we definitely need object, Suresh. So, okay, memory. Sir, what is this memory? Now, people tell me, so if you want to walk from here to some 1 kilometer distance, what you need? Can someone tell me what you need? So people are not responding. So we are, what you need? Energy. Correct. Perfect. So we definitely need some energy. For example, you don't eat for 4 days. Now people tell me, will you able to walk for 100 meters now? No, right? So similarly, you don't walk, you don't eat for 1 week. Sir, I'm a Superman, sir. Still, I can walk some 100 meters, sir. Okay. Now you don't eat for 7 days. Now, see, if you try to walk, so some 4 people will try to move you from here to somewhere, right? For what? That ambulance. Okay. So that means without energy, we cannot even walk from one place to another place. Similarly, if we want to work with variables, we definitely need memory. What we need? Memory. Now, people tell me, without memory, can we work with variables now? Yes or no? No. Now, who is allocating memory? Now, like who killed cut Bahubali like that? So who is allocating memory to variables? Can someone tell me now? Who is allocating memory to variables? Yes, 65 people are there. No one is responding. See, I want I want more response from everyone. You know, when the people are responding very well, then I will get more interest and I can explain more concepts. And I will come up with some innovations and all. I will make more easy for you guys. Okay, so who is that person means object. What is that? Object. Now, people tell me, I don't have memory. Can I work with variables now? So, see, without energy, we cannot work. Similarly, without memory, can we work with variables? No, no, right? Now, who is allocating memory to variables? Who is allocating memory to variables? Object. What is that? Object. Now, people tell me, without object, can we work with variables? No. Why? Garima? Why? Santosh? No memory. Perfect. Perfect, Santosh. So, now people tell me, without object, can we work with variables? No. Because object is allocating sufficient memory to variables. Without memory, so without memory, we cannot work with variables. And who is allocating memory? That object only. Now people tell me, can we work with variables without object? Yes or no? People tell me, can we work with variables without object? No. What is that? No. Why? Because object is allocating memory to whom? Variables. Now people tell me, what is the class definition? Now, so class name, open brace and closed brace only. There is no variables now. Why? Because if there is no object, how we can work with methods now? No, right? That's the reason. That's the reason we need object to work with variables. So now people tell me, so this is one point is proved. Now the second point is methods. C equals to A plus B. Okay. So now, for example, if I have 6, 7 methods inside my class, but I want only one method output. I want only one method output. Okay. So now, how can we call this method? So for that, we have a syntax called object name dot method name. What is that? Object name dot method name. So without object, we cannot call some particular method. Okay. So by using this syntax, we can call any method. Okay. So now people see here, now what is the purpose of object with methods? Object is used to call methods. Okay. Now without object, can we call a method now? Yes or no? Without object, can we call a method now? No. No, right? So now people tell me, without object, can we work with methods now? No. So people tell me, without object, can we work with variables now? No. So now people tell me, without object, we cannot work with variables and methods. Now people tell me, can we work with class now? So people tell me, so we cannot work with variables, we cannot work with methods, we cannot work with class. Can we work with oops now? Now that is the reason, the name itself, object oriented programming system. Okay, that's the reason I told object is leading complete to oops, and object is king of oops. Now people agree for that? Yes or no? Okay, are you people agree for that? Okay, fine. Now is everything is fine, but sir, this definition is not moving from my mind, sir. What is this definition? Okay, now I will tell. So where is class opened here? The class opened here and the class closed here. Inside that we declare variables here, right? And we are using those variables here. Yes or no? So now people see here, I declare variables here and I am using them here. Okay. So class is a closed container. So because it opened here and it closed here. So class is a closed container where we can bind variables and methods. So I declared variables here and I'm using them here. So class opened here and class closed here. That's the reason class is a closed container where we can bind variables and methods. So class is a closed container where we can bind variables and methods. So are you guys agree for the definition now? Yes, Krishna, Geeta, Gayatri, Sagar, Suresh, Balaji, Manikanta. Are you guys agree for the definition? Yes, no? So Shravani, Sridivya, Suhashini. So Suhashini, you are so silent today. So any questions in this now? Can you people respond? Okay. No. So now, yeah, okay, good. So class is a closed container where we can bind variables and methods. So without class, we cannot work. So now see, now see, I told you people like in the beginning, like, so if you don't have any knowledge also, you can write your program on your own. Now, what I told for class definition, what is the syntax for class? Class name, some ABC. So who will be there in class? Variables like int a comma b comma c. Who will also there in class? Methods like void add. So simple. Now c equals to what? A plus b. That's it. Now people see here. What is the difficulty in writing this code now? We just followed the syntax. Class name, open brace and closed brace. Inside class we'll have variables and method. That's it. We did not implemented any rocket science, or we did not implemented something XYZ. We did not implemented anything. We just applied the basics there. We just followed the syntax. We implemented one class. That's it. Okay. So that's it. So I will just give you, I'm just now, so it's already 7:03. So I will wait for 10 minutes for your questions. I will answer now. If you have any questions that may be in whoops or that may be in something, please ask me. Okay, so please ask me that questions. I mean, so if you have any questions related to course and all, please ask me. Definitely, I will help you guys. So now, first thing. Okay, so here someone asked some question here. Anil, I just need .NET Framework, .NET Core, Entity Framework only. UI technology is not required. Is this right course? Yes, Anil. So I hope I answered your question also. Which topics will be covered in .NET Core? So which topics means all the .NET Core topics, madam. So once you see .NET Core is not, it's not different from MVC or something. If you will just give .NET Core overview and what are the folder structure and what is that one and what is the config file. All those things I will explain, and after that we'll see how to work with .NET Core and MVC project at a time. So if you learn MVC, then what will happen? That will become very much easy. Okay, Divya, answer for your question. Chandrakant, how much take time? Time means it's 2 months. Okay, because we have no memory. Okay. We know. Yeah, what is that? Read Sham. Void should not return value. Tell me clearly why need use void public private before method or class. So Sham, are you completed with C#? So you are asking me or you are testing me? I don't know. So how much HTML, CSS, JavaScript required to learn this course? Actually, you need. So we need to know the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, all those things. But for HTML, I will give some basics up to some part. But you definitely needs to learn. Hello, which topics will be covered in .NET Core? I answered right, Divya. Sir, opportunity of .NET without ASP.NET less is why, sir. Sir, opportunity of .NET without ASP.NET is less why, sir. Santosh Kumar. So, sir, opportunity of .NET without ASP.NET is less why, sir. So, so I will tell in tomorrow's session, I will explain. I joined late. Can I get recording demo? Yes, you will get recording demo. So you can connect with our admin Hari Prasad. So he will help you for that. So Hari Prasad, sir, can you please share your number in the chat? Sir, how much HTML, CSS, JavaScript written? I answered, Bazil Khan. So will you teach dependency injection? So some basics of dependency injection. So this class is particularly designed for what? Okay. Sir, in this course, see, who is that real time? Okay. Sir, in this course include real-time project or not? RAM. Yes, real-time project will be included. See, as per Naresh IT, that is not included, but I will give. But anyway, so after 20 classes, you will you can after 20 classes you can implement one real-time project on your own for sure. Trust me. So I hope Deepak, I answered your question also. Should I learn HTML? So are you part of full stack course, Basil Khan? Yes. Then if you are not completed HTML, CSS, UI technologies class, so you can join there parallelly. Syllabus I will quickly show. Okay. So Samarpan Jain, we already have one WhatsApp group for this batch. I will include you guys after 1 week, everyone. We already, so like, my old C# student who learned C# here 6 to 7, they completed, we completed last Monday only. We already have group. I will add everyone from this. Okay. So we have some 65 and you people will be added. Okay. So admin. Mhm. Hey, what happened? So this is our admin Hari Prasad number. So you people can connect with him anytime. Okay. So you can connect with him. So mostly he will be busy. Try to ping him in WhatsApp. He will help you guys on everything. Yeah, I will share my notes. So I just give me a second. So I will just show you guys my notes, my book. So this one. This one. So then this is the perfect batch for you, Ajinkya. I hope. So 6 to 7 you can learn and you can practice for half an hour and you can go to your office. So see. Okay, so see, this is my book only. I'm a Microsoft certified .NET developer. So I don't want to mention my company, but you people can guess, wild guess. So that is India's most loved company. That's what I can give you clue. Okay. If you answer also, I will tell no. Duration is 2 months. So this is my book. So this is my C# book. So you people can see this is a beautiful book. Like, with all the concepts of C#, so with the diagrams and all. So for each and every concept, so we have explained step by step. So if you people see here, so see all these diagrams. So for every concept, I have given a program. So that is the program got executed in Visual Studio. Then we copy pasted here. Okay. So for all the concepts. Okay. So this is my book only. I only wrote this book actually. C# won't cover in this session. That was completed already. And similarly for ASP.NET and MVC also I have one book. MVC I will show now. Tomorrow also I will show the books again. So this is my MVC book. So you'll see that same boring first page, but still, yeah, this is what my MVC content. So all these things, ASP.NET Web Forms. So all the things with diagrams and program examples and everything I have, everything. So so after 1 week or 10 days, I will share once this batch timings once this finalized, I will share this book with you guys. Okay. So this is our book, and all the things, the code examples and everything we have. I will definitely share with this book. Okay, I will share my C# book also. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now that's it from my end. Anyone have any questions? Please ask me. I will wait for 3 more minutes. Sir, I go to office. So Ajinkya, I answered your questions. So Ravinder Singh, I hope I have shown you the syllabus. So anyway, I will give the syllabus once the course starts also, no problem. In that session, all topics cover C#, HTML, jQuery. Yes, I answered your question also. Yes. So 2 more minutes. I will wait for 2 more minutes. Please ask me the questions if anyone have. Yes, please. Ravinder, C# was already completed. If you want to learn C#, if we have any new batches in Naresh IT, so you will get information on it. So you can join there. Or if you want my C# only, after 15-20 days, one of my batch is going to complete soon. So you can join there. Can you share complete syllabus for this course? So not now, but I will share. We'll cover MVC and deep, or we'll go directly MVC core? No, we'll come first. We'll finish ASP.NET step 1. After that, we'll finish MVC step 2. After that, we'll finish Web API step 3. So we'll finish all ADO.NET and Entity Framework related step 4, and step 5. Last step is .NET Core, and after that, real-time project. Abdul, I don't have any answer for that, man. So if again, if you miss my MVC session, you need to wait for some 3-4 months. So fee structure, please connect with our admin Hari Prasad. So, and this is his number. Please note down his number. He will respond. So Hari Prasad garu, please respond to their everyone queries. I hope you will. Manikanta, I will share, man. See, we'll discuss about all the interview questions in one class. After that, I will share the interview question. So what is the wrong in that? So we'll see, we'll take 2 sessions for discussing interview questions. That's what I planned. If you want, I will give you. I don't have any problem. These classes are in continuous days. Yes, madam. Gayatri. We'll have daily. Okay. So fine. I'm done then. Thank you all for joining. We'll meet again tomorrow at same time, 6 to 7.